Napakamundo ang ikaw sinumay. May buo kang barangay lisoso ang nakon niyo. Saan rin ako kung baka? Kapuno ko ura akong buwa. Sa kaun ang buwa. Paano nga ni? Kung pinakasasun ang tumulo ko aturan. Tungat sa atin na ilimutin. Tunggu sa akin na lutumana. Saya ang baka berat nga. Nilaw. Hindi maalo ba Karisto. Sampai ngayon ka rabi igo. Lalu minasan ka ura akong buwa. Sa mga pinakabalib. Yung ang gumayroon ni ko ba? Sa ingoy sa akin na yaw. Makasang po mga uranga.
Saba orang ambil nama ni u. Ngon orang na ilulu ni mani u ngon orang prime minister.
Na kam na kanangalo bisa ka jiko na bigara bibo maten. Na sa wala na bilangici. Na sa wala na bibo turang tagi, bibo turang tagi sa jiko na nonto songo. Na nonto biso taraki na singilem ni ko.
Oh yeah tu.
Baka binatay sa wala na bikin ta baka baka turang baka bunwa. May kinta baka sa chicken na lako baka matentu na sigilem ni ko. Binasa wala na bilangiti. Binasa wala na bi baturang ataki. May baka turang ataki sa chicken na nanda songo. Baka long atay tatal sungakin na nanda may chigo batura sigilem ni ko may maruda kana kanan dola na ratu peli raboka campus. Technical College ngo i Wairiki mbua. Bagsao jiwa main dola bondo na Technical College wango may lambasa. Dola ni ko mbua mataka. Le dola tale indue maduata. Wastal jungan madasao ji gondo nang nakulunga ta weekend. Da sotava na kola na kena kaumai na nonda bonua winta mai dona timi. Sa sangat dende may namatay nito batagin na puno bitin doon ang unang balaw membura on doon so may rawati chigo na lumanibita na mada sao chi rawata chigo na nanda toni bal na maraw ta chung melambasa o chigo may suba na mada sao chi na kana maraw ta chigo may suba o rede chigo na lebu ni maraw o binakata ukila chigo na maraw batay chigo bikam ni wono lebu. Sa sasanga sa ginaba ko merto ko talaga mena timi bunuliw meta may maraw takabata na maraw may subo na maraw may nanji ina binakati me ko talaga may bunuliw meta maraw takabata non rangkanga na duro ya na vital no ay tigo na no gumatentu nabi bator da kita todo kaya may ndona bunwa ina binakati me ko raramba may viti selanga ni tigo may suba si cukup melotoka, si cukup main nanti, si cukup main lembasa. Nabi nak kacau mereka titaya ni, nak kena tak nabi batur tak kita kena nonda benua. Nawai dan liba nangoni salah, ni narede cukup nak kena toso. So na benua toso bok malua, ye toso cukup. Beta na sasanga ni matentu, mekuta main nabi batur tak kita raramba, ena nonda benua. Buli kena nabi talno ni buli. Nabi tanah bagsauti, nangona sangay tibukin na kumatentu wakasama tawa mimbichi ko na nondo wakatoro kita kina nondang mani mikunin dua embiu wasata kacung kana bitanwa menda toso wata chigo na lako ebina kachi menda lako chikin nangona kulungatan to stawa chigo mekemni na ngone leo ngone dorbo ni chigo na bikurubu ngono ngondo ngona kulungata bekemni simbarin do bikemami asutaba sene mami tumbu kaya sampai sutaba chigo na namni tumbu nangona kulunga tongo na kena sangai chigo na matan tungo na kena wator kita kena namni buli me ni kulunga tamni bingarabi na namni bibal bali ni labeta talanga nambulo boy labo ni nonda bunua ni sana ochen na namni buli tegu mai na ibondo na iduru wasu na turana minister na namni coach go buli bisinga na kena pangata chigo na RSL na bus voucher na ticket ni basi wile kena ora na lako chigo mai union na kena coach go na nondra coach go na bikuru nondra lanji nondra wanga aya na sasanga ni matentungo na kena sangai me botor da kitaki botor tol sara na nomuni mbulo bo buli kamuni na dorobo na ngone la ngono le wili chikina na vital no ni university ni sarango tsugo na vital no ni TELS program ni wili tal tsunga kino na beta sare da ke korora wata na tul non rau sibia o bina ngoni kita bole ni chiko no matani gua ni singine ni gua ni busota ni chiko bole le na le no mbo e bor takina no ni tokona na vingara ni matentu mar tumbe na lubumni wirna no ni sul na vital no batabango ena da kamba na huli batabango ena da kamba melambase da kamba isuba ni sana gaisa sangat juga ni tumbu meni bako tekin na lubumni ni kuwa sada ngoimboa mataka sana ndolo talamai do mai madwata sana bakara rota ka bikumni buno lebu na nonda tumberi nonda buli or na nonda sul sana sanga soni raku bayawa sanga soni rayaw mai bikumni ni tumbu gua binang man kina boleh ni mai tu boleh na mai mau ta wata na kana ndolo talin no kurni buli na technical college na ratu peli ro campus imbua me ratumber kin na nonda sul na sa boleh na bilangiti na sa boleh na bi waturang tak the honorable minister for education turang na tuimbua the head of campus staff and students of the ratu peli ro campus of the Technical College of Fiji, distinguished guests, parents and friends, Bulabinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I always say that our education revolution is my government's proudest achievement. So I'm delighted to be back in the north today to celebrate the official opening of the Ratu Epeli Roboko campus at the Technical College of Fiji. It's less than a week since some, if not many of you, joined me in Lambasa for the wonderful welcome home celebration for our Olympic gold medal winning rugby sevens team. What a great day it was for us all, a great day for the North, a great day for Fiji, and a day that those of us who were there will never forget. I told the huge crowd in Lambasa, as well as those in Nandi and Suva, that we are privileged to be living in a golden age for Fiji. And this campus and the training you students are receiving are an important part of that, because never before in Fijian history have so many of our young people had access to education. The free schooling and scholarships and tertiary loans that are a feature of our education revolution, plus the specialist training in colleges like this that are equipping you with skills to carve out a better life for yourselves and also to help us continue to build the new Fiji. I'm very proud that my government has fulfilled its promise to set up a network of campuses like this throughout the country, to instruct our young people in the various trades our nation needs. This is the second campus of the Technical College of Fiji to be officially opened in Wonolevu, after the Lambasa campus was launched last year. And I will also have the pleasure to officially open the third campus in Nawaca tomorrow. These are wonderful assets for Wonolevu and for Fiji, because they are important building blocks in our plan to build the North and also to take our nation to the next level. Here in Bua, we are offering level 2 national certificates in automotive, mechanical engineering, and carpentry. Bang madal tatu na turangan minister na embakingo na automotive, mechanical engineering batake na carpentry na bagmengo sana takake na buli bakasanga. Batake na buli kek. Dona matakana keke lebu ndabaru da kabungo imbua. And I'm very pleased to see that there are currently 80 students enrolled here from more than 40 communities stretching across the whole of Mbua province from Wainunu to Nasarawanga. To our students, I want to say this: if you work hard and complete these courses, they will transform your prospects of earning a decent, sustainable living. These are formal qualifications that will be recognized all over Fiji. So we are also broadening your horizons and giving you what you need to earn a living, not only here in the North, but the whole of Fiji and beyond. In a wider sense, we are laying out a vision for our people of a skilled nation, an educated nation, in which no young person who wants to work hard and improve their lives is prevented from doing so. A nation in which no one is left behind. When you eventually get your certificates, you will be part of the army of tradespeople Fiji is creating to take our nation forward. That is why it is a golden age for you and everyone like you at the 11 other Technical College of Fiji campuses around the country. Because we are empowering you in a way your parents and grandparents could only dream of. And we are empowering our nation in a way that Fijians of previous generations could never have imagined. You will have heard me talking last week about the importance of teamwork, of all of us following the example of our Rugby Sevens team. They took on the world and won gold. And Fiji as a nation can do the same. We'll do the same if we all work together as a team. And the Nganga can the lako wata chico and the dua wata chico. And the kaloda or nasing dua wata kikanda, better na kuiteki levi, wana songo songo. Each of you will use your skills. Use the skills you are learning here to help build up the skills base of our nation. All those things any nation needs to be successful, whether it is the mechanics or carpenters that you will eventually become, or any number of other things our young people are studying at the technical college campuses throughout Fiji. Like our Rugby Sevens team, our nation intends to be great. And I want to fire your imaginations about what is possible if we all set our eyes on the goal of being winners and work as a team. The prospects for every Fijian are now better than at any time in our history. But we can only be great if we stick together. One nation, one people, looking out for each other, caring for each other, and making sure we take everyone with us on our journey forward. That is why I place so much emphasis on developing those parts of Fiji, like the North, that still don't have all the facilities enjoyed by those living on Viti level. It is simply not good enough for many people up here to be deprived of the kind of things that people take for granted on our main island. Good roads, electricity, water, proper health care, and efficient communications. As I've said many times before, I will not rest as Prime Minister until every Fijian, no matter where they are, has the same level of services. And that, of course, includes access to proper training facilities and campuses like this. Not that long ago, you would have all had to travel to Vitilevu or perhaps Lambasa to gain access to the training you are now beginning to take for granted here in Bua. Now, you can be close to your families and friends and still acquire the form of qualifications that previous generations could never acquire in the North. And you have a choice. You can stay up here and use those skills to help us develop the North and help achieve its full potential. Or you can venture out into the wider world, because we value every single person and we want you to achieve your full potential. It is a wonderful part of Fiji and deserves better than the years of neglect you suffered under previous governments. And I promise you that over time, you will also see more improvements to add to those the Fiji First government has already delivered. Students, ladies and gentlemen, I want to close by thanking the local people who joined hands with the government to make this campus possible. The Nawaca Primary School Committee, the Vanua of Nawaca, and the people of Mbua. I deeply appreciate the traditional welcome you have given me today and the enthusiasm with which you have greeted me. And I wish you the very best as a community, as well as each and every one of our students as they work to pursue their dreams. May God bless us all as we work to fulfill those dreams, not only for ourselves, but for our nation. May God bless our beloved Fiji. Thank you.
Mamituan na muli serau. Amikray kami ni mami kloni sera nang ngauna binakanggo. Kalungata kina na kono Mbua. Kalungata na naman ni tamata na turangan na Prime Minister. Nakadakalibar sa ngarabatiu. Kami sa babi na binaka. Sa tuwa tina naman ni tubutukan na singan dinday. Kalungata biti. Kaya may maso na naman ni Jisu. Ni mami turangan kanay mami Mbua. Amen.
Naka. Nada. Hah? Sino nota? Oh. Saya kelas ini, saya boleh juga. Kelas ini dah. Kelas ini dua. Oh, benar boleh. Naka, andolong kena kundu boleh. Andolong kena kundu boleh. Rute peli, Nawaca Technical College. Kalau ngata kina, saya kalau ngata ngambua, saya kalau ngata ubich. Ah, kalau ngata ngambua, kalau ngata ubich. Naka. Nah, terus tak. Ya, nanti apa mikro tapu ngau kerap. Okay, looking at the camera. Looking at the camera. Yeah, one more. Oh, refreshment. Main thing curry. Hey, tu. Iya, lalu kali. Tunggu lah.